How to fix payment method declined. Tap continue to sign in, then update your billing info. If your payment method is declined on your iPhone, maybe you were trying to purchase a certain premium application and the payment has been declined for some reason. In this case, we simply have to revise our payment method. So to revise our payment method, launch Settings, tap on your Apple ID profile from the very top. Then from there, you want to simply go to Payment and Shipping. Then once you come to Payment and Shipping, you might also be asked to verify using your biometrics like your Face ID. If it asks you to, go ahead and verify. Now here you simply have to ensure that your card details are just correct. Now sometimes the card details could be incorrect, or there is an issue with your card, not enough balance, or the bank has not processed your card for some reason. In that case, you can try to add PayPal or an alternative card if you have those as well. Select credit or debit card. They accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover and American Express. Here you can enter your card number, expiration date and the year, the CVV code, and then you also want to make sure to update your billing address right here. And after you've updated your billing address, then you can tap the done button. Then after you've done that, your Apple ID payment will be processed and it will get approved for next time onwards. I hope that this video helps you solve your problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.